Welcome. If you're looking to update your gender information on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to change your gender on your Facebook page, following the new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook's website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select your page. This will take you directly to your Facebook page, where you can manage all your information. Now that you're on your page, look for the menu options and click on About. This section contains all your personal details, including your gender information. Scroll down until you find the Gender section. Next to the word Gender, you'll see a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this icon to start editing your gender information. A new window or section will open where you can select or type in your new gender. Facebook gives you several options, so you can choose the one that best represents you. Take your time to make the right selection. Once you've chosen your new gender, look for the Save button at the bottom of the section. Click Save to confirm your changes. Facebook will update your profile with your new gender information instantly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your gender on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Remember, you can always come back and update this information whenever you need to. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.